Radiator stop leaks are a common budget-minded solution for minor cooling system leaks that save time and avoid a full radiator replacement. The category spans traditional paste sealant formulations, pelletized tablets, and hydraulic-specific products, each with different compatibility profiles and failure modes. In this review,
List number 1. Radiator Stop Leak Sealer Conditioner, Radiator Repair Kit, Car Heater Core. The Spella's one-step Radiator Stop Leak Sealer Conditioner is marketed as a universal solution that not only stops leaks, but also prevents rust and lubricates the water pump. The formula is silicone-based and designed to be safe for metals, plastics, rubbers, aluminum, hoses, and connections, with compatibility across all antifreeze types. The packaging indicates it's meant for direct radiator pouring and claims permanent repair of coolant loss problems in a wide range of vehicles. At $7.99, the cost sits in the budget to mid-tier, offering a straightforward approach without requiring professional service. In practice, users should expect a convenient single-use repair for minor leaks, gaskets, and small crack sites, particularly useful for curbside emergencies or routine maintenance. The product's lubrication and rust inhibition properties can extend pump life and reduce noise from dry friction around seals. However, silicone-based sealants can in some cases form a temporary plug rather than a true structural repair, especially on larger leaks or highly stressed joints. Because it is a paste injection style sealant, it may be less effective on porous materials or highly corroded cores, and cleanup if over-applied can be messy.
Number 2. Bars Leaks Radiator Stop Leak. Bars Leaks uses a dissolved, pelletized formula designed to seal internal and external leaks, including coolant to oil leaks, with particular emphasis on larger leaks. The product is compatible with plastic, aluminum, and metal radiators, heater cores, blocks, heads, gaskets, and freeze plugs, and works with all antifreeze types, silicate-based and OAT, as well as straight water. The 4-pack provides a long-term supply for DIY maintenance and multiple vehicles, which adds notable value for households with several cars or vehicles and fleets. This formulation is tuned toward more robust sealing for bigger leaks, aided by a water pump lubricant to protect seals and inhibit rust. The primary caveat is that the exact pellet composition is not disclosed, making it harder to gauge compatibility with all cooling system materials or to predict long-term residue effects. The absence of a listed price complicates value assessment, but the 4-pack implies a lower per-ounce cost. Users should monitor for any floaters or sediment in the overflow tank after application and ensure thorough system cycling after sealing. List number 3. Radiator Stop Leak Sealer Conditioner Radiator Repair Kit. This Visbella kit expands on the one-tube version by providing a larger quantity for bigger cooling systems or multiple uses. It retains the same core selling points: silicone-based sealant, universal compatibility, antifreeze tolerance, rust prevention, and lubrication of water pump seals. The 24-piece quantity targets larger households or shops that serviced many vehicles, and the price at $22.99 positions it as a mid to premium option for those seeking extended use without frequent repurchases. Performance-wise, the larger tube quantity can ensure more consistent dosing across multiple vehicles and reduce the need to repurchase in the short term. However, the effectiveness remains linked to the same limitations as the one-tube version. It is best for minor leaks and preventative maintenance rather than a cure for significant high-pressure leaks. The water resistance level note differs. It is water resistant rather than not water resistant, which signaling a slightly different handling profile under humid conditions and potential water exposure during maintenance. List number 4. Genuine GM 123782555 Fluid 3634621. Cooling System GM's official cooling system seal tablet are a OEM recommended approach for sealing minor coolant leaks. Packaged as 5 4-gram tablets, this option emphasizes non-toxicity and DexCool compatibility, aligning with many GM vehicles' cooling system requirements. The cost is the budget option at $6.06,
making it a compelling value choice for owners of GM or similar systems that trust OEM formulations. As a tablet-based product, the GM tablets require dissolution in the cooling system and regular circulation to ensure the sealant reaches all leak locations. Because it is a non-toxic option designed for a broad vehicle range, it is generally safe for OEM-approved antifreeze and may interact well with DEX cool systems. However, tablet-based formulations can be slower to act compared with liquid sealants, and their effectiveness hinges on proper dosing and compatible system pressure. Users should verify application per the OEM guidelines and monitor for any changes in cooling system behavior after use.
List number 5. Blue Devil Hydraulic Stop Leak, 32 ounces, restores seals. Blue Devil's Hydraulic Stop Leak is a 32-ounce solution designed for hydraulic systems beyond automotive radiators, focusing on restoring dried, cracked, and shrunken rubber seals, and stopping leaks in pumps, cylinders, and valves. Priced at $23.71, this is positioned as a premium option for hydraulic-focused issues rather than a general radiator sealant. The product touts guaranteed permanent seals and compatibility across all hydraulic systems, which makes it a versatile choice for machinery, tractors, or heavy equipment that relies on hydraulics. In use, Blue Devil's hydraulic formula aims for lasting repairs to rubber seals and gaskets under hydraulic pressure. Users should expect a more robust repair relative to radiator-specific sealants, and the expanded volume supports larger systems. However, as a hydraulic-specific product, it may not be ideal for cooling system leaks in cars or mixtures that require radiator-focused solutions. Expect thorough system cycling after application and adherence to the product's dosage guidance to avoid over-application or unintended effects on hydraulic fluids.